Well, it's always a pleasure to be in Israel, to be with Moshe, to be in the Gracie Humaita Academy in Israel. Uh, that's not my first time here. That's the fifth time. You know, I visit Israel. It's an amazing place. I always enjoy. And then it's more amazing to see how the school is a progress, how the student learn, how everybody fascinated with the Jiu-Jitsu. I'm glad we have one of the amazing structure here is in Israel. Sometimes you don't realize, like my father say all the time, you know, to have someone as a student, to need to have him as a friend first. And that's I see here. You guys always together, you guys be very tight, and the group is growing, you know. It's first time I coming, I know how hard to bring someone from outside to teach a seminar, make these people understand what the Jiu-Jitsu is in a small group and then big and big and big. We have in the seminar yesterday around 130 guys. It's amazing, you know, and everybody smile, everybody happy, everybody having a very, very good time. What else I can say about Israel? What an amazing place. I'd just like to say thank you very much, you know, for Moshe to give me the opportunity to come in here and teach you guys and help and make the Jiu-Jitsu grow in the whole world. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Keep training.